Hey guys, Chicago injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here, and in today's video, I'm going to answer the question, can I still do workers' comp if my company closes down? So I'm doing this video because a guy in the comments section of my videos asked this very question. And so the short answer is yes, okay? But there's a caveat, right? As long as your company had workers' comp insurance, it doesn't matter if the entire company closes down, because as long as they had valid workers' comp coverage on the date you got hurt, you are covered. That means under Illinois law, you get paid while you're off work with a doctor's note. That means you get medical treatment that you need related to the injury sustained at work, and you get a lump sum of money at the end of the case that reflects the change in your body. Now, that's not all you can get in workers' comp, but those are the three most common things you can get. And as long as there's insurance, you can do it. So, for example, pardon me, for example, June 1st, you have your accident. June 2nd, the entire company closes down. Nobody's even in the country anymore. As long as they had comp insurance on June 1st, you're covered. You're going to get all your benefits. Doesn't matter if they close down the very next day or even later the same day, as long as they're covered on comp. Now, what happens if they don't have comp insurance? Most states, including Illinois, of course, which is where I'm shooting this in, have a fund for companies that let their insurance lapse. Now, there's limited money in the fund, and the state of Illinois defends those cases very tough. But what I'm saying is, even if your company shuts down and didn't have workers' comp, there's still hope for you. The other thing I always tell people is you should talk to a lawyer, because lawyers are going to be able to tell you um, other possible ways to get your bills paid or recover money. For example, there might be a third party case. Um, there's like a million options. And, I'm familiar with those options because I've been doing it a long time, and I've helped a lot of people get money even in situations that looked a little bit rough. So the takeaway, the Reader's Digest version of this is that even if your company shuts down right away, right after your accident or injury, doesn't matter. If there's insurance, you're covered. Even if there isn't insurance, you have rights under workers' comp. The third option is you can sue the company in in regular court if they didn't have workers' comp. There's actually a statute that says if they don't have workers' comp, you can sue them in court, in regular court. So my point is there's tons of options. What option is exactly right for you is probably something you're going to want to talk to a lawyer about. So as much as I hope you and your family are doing well, if you or your family have this situation or any kind of injury situation, or have questions or want to hire a lawyer, please consider giving me a call. You can reach me anytime, day or night, at 312 500 I'm sorry, 312 500 4500. 312 500 4500. I train everybody who answers that phone, and they answer the phone 24 hours a day. They send me your information immediately. They even ask you when you want to hear from me, and that's when I call you, right? There's also options on my website to book a call with me on a calendar. So anyway, that's how all that works. So even if you think, oh crap, am I out of luck? You're definitely not out of luck, but you're going to want to work with a lawyer who's been around the block, who knows how this stuff works. So definitely give me a call, 312 500 4500. Otherwise, lots of people aren't ready to talk to a lawyer. So I created two really cool tools in my website, completely free to use. One is called the Case Cash Calculator, tells you what your case might be worth. The other one is the Good Case Calculator. It tells you whether you have a good case or maybe a case with some challenges, right? The coolest thing is they're free and no obligation right on my website to use. Links in the description. The second coolest thing is literally it takes 10 or 20 seconds to answer the multiple choice questions, and then you get answers like that. No delay, no lawyer to talk to, just awesome information that I really think is going to help you. So check those out, link in the description. If you like my videos, please subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified. If you enjoy the information in this video, hit the thumbs up icon. Uh, YouTube likes to see that. Finally, if you enjoy the information I provide and it helps you, and you wouldn't mind helping me out, if you wouldn't mind giving me a 5-star review on Google, it would really help me out. Super easy to do. I'm leaving a link in the description. All you do is put that into a web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. It takes you right to the page. Click 5 stars, say a kind word, click submit. It's done. 7 seconds of work for you, but an invaluable favor to me that would really help me out. So if you don't mind doing that, help me out that way. Link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. If there are any questions or any help I can provide to you or your family, please don't hesitate to reach out. Again, 312 500 4500. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you and your family, and I hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.